What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to talk about linear finance. Guys, I've talked about this project a bunch of times because this is literally anything but linear. This thing is awesome. I love linear finance, and we're going to explain why. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys do three things: like, subscribe, bell button, leave a comment below in the description saying you subscribe. You'll automatically get thrown into a drawing to earn $100 in free BTC. And guys, if you are new to the channel, we also have a Ethereum giveaway going on. There's a bunch of wallets that already sent money there as well. I'm not going to interact with it. This is all between y'all. On June 30th, we will have a drawing, and whatever wallets interacted with it, they will be selected at random with a random number generator. So if you guys are chosen, you guys win some Ethereum. Good for you. All right, so let's talk about linear finance, and let's break it down. I've broken it down a couple of times, but I love the ability where you can use leverage. So we are going to go to Builder. I am currently deposited into this protocol, so I'm going to show you how this works. Yes, this is on the Binance Smart Chain, or you can stake your Lina. Well, actually, you can only stake it on Binance. So first, let's get on BSC. All right, so we connected our network, we did all that junk, and now we're going to show you guys how this happens. But first off, guys, we have a problem because my MetaMask is linked to a ledger, so I am unable to do the transactions for you guys to confirm in this video today because, unfortunately, I like Mac, but I have a MacBook and I only have one port for the USB, so and the microphone is in the USB. We're just going to walk you through it. So right now, I'm staking my Lina. What's cool about this is I can claim rewards. So this is claimable every week. You do need to make sure you guys claim it within 14 days or these rewards do go away. Like right now, I literally earn depending on how much the fees are and how my pledge ratio is, I earn about 770 to 1,000. No, I'd probably say about 670 to about 1,000 Lina tokens every single week. They're literally just free. It's basically all these tokens. I will say they are free as well. Because guys, you know how it works. You always sell your profits to get your principal back, and now these are just staking Lina to earn Lina. I didn't sell the full bag because I'm bullish on Lina. I like Lina, and I'll explain to you guys why and what they're looking to do. So this is how you can claim the tokens. It's grayed out right now because this pledge ratio needs to be at 500. So when you guys are staking your Lina, you need to make sure it's at a 500 ratio. I would say do like 510 because prices do fluctuate, and you'll be able to claim it. And how can I get my pledge ratio back? Well, I have a couple of options. So first, I can burn some LUSD. This is the amount of LUSD I have in my wallet, and this is the amount of debt that I have. The debt does go up as traders are profitable, and you can combat against that by going to the exchange. And I'll show you guys how to do that as well. Don't worry, guys. Oh, hey, I guess I have a referral link. Earn Lina with friends. Guys, if you want to be friends with me, you can use my referral code. I didn't even know I had one. Whatever, guys. You don't have to use it if you don't want to, but I'll leave a link in the description. Actually, no, dude, do it. You get 10 USD worth of Lina. You guys need to add it, or you guys need to do this. Add it, and you guys will get 10 USD. So, yes, add it so you guys can get a bonus. I guess it's a thank you. But anyways, guys, we're going to show you guys how we can change this. So if I want to burn, I can't burn that much because I have 240. You have an option to select how much you want to burn to get your Lina back. So if you're like, I'm done, I want my money back, that's okay. You can do that as well. You just burn the maximum amount of liquids you have. Right now, I only have 240. So in order for me to fully burn, I need to be able to A, either trade, or B, buy more LUSD. You can either stake more Lina to get more LUSD, however, it is going to be a debt, or you can purchase it off of any of the exchanges. So that's how you can burn and get your money back. All right, so I want to go claim those tokens now, and this is how I'm going to go ahead and do this. So you can either burn tokens or add more Lina. I'm going to show you guys the burning option. Obviously, I can't make the transaction go through. I'm sorry, guys. My ledger is linked up to this wallet, and it ain't going to happen. So I have to burn 68 of these to get a 600p ratio. Or it can be like, nah, I just want to do 10, or actually 20. That'll get me right. Nah, guys, remember. Oh, what? Wait. No, I got to do 510%. So I got to burn 17.92 tokens. And then it's going to be a gas fee. It's okay. It's on the Binance Smart Chain. I don't like BNB. And no, just kidding, guys. I do like some BNB, but I'm not as bullish as I am on Ethereum. So now once you got that token, you got the build, you got the junk, now you got the PE ratio up, you can go back and claim your tokens. These tokens are locked. They are locked for a year. That's what I have staked. This is what I have locked. So do keep that in mind. I got to go claim these later once I get off video, guys. I can't claim them now. So we're going to go to the build section. On the build section, this is where all the shebang happens. So like this is where you just basically make money. No, this is where you're staking your Lina and you're going to get some LUSD. So first you stake your Lina, and now you're like, well, what's this LUSD used for? I mean, what the pants? This is like garbage. Well, that's okay. If you think it's garbage, that's fine. Or you can be like, bruh, no thanks. I have a thing called Launch Exchange, or on the Linear Exchange. You just go over here. We're ready for launch. And boom, dude, you guys can buy crypto with your LUSD. You can buy it straight on here. So if you guys are bullish on like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or whatever, you can buy it straight on this protocol and you can trade it on here. So this is just like your own personal Binance. It's pretty fire sauce. And guys, it's a decentralized exchange. So all your tokens that you buy are in your wallet. Why is this important? Well, guys, not your keys, not your crypto. Have you ever heard of BitConnect? Oh, yeah. The thing that's closed down, or something called Mt. Gox. Oh, yeah. The thing that had all your money in there and it just randomly closed down, took all everyone's Bitcoins. Well, guys, that's why not your keys, not your crypto is super important to understand. And when someone says that, what that means is, well, dude, you're basically roasted if you aren't holding your crypto, because they could do any and everything they want with it. So this is the exchange you guys can use. You don't have to spend your LUSD token. They are working on launching staking soon. It has not come out yet. Me personally, I'm not leveraging up and buying different cryptos because I already have my cryptos in other wallets. And it's kind of like, I don't want to use it on the LUSD because I already understand I'd rather keep this pledge ratio and just be bullish on the Lina token. Now, if you guys are like, all right, well, I got my tokens on Ethereum and I don't know what to do because I can't stake them. Well, you can use this swap section. It'll swap your Lina to your Ethereum, or from Ethereum to Binance, and Binance to Ethereum. It's up to you. And you can also swap out your LUSD and spend it. So you don't have to spend it in this protocol. You can swap it for USDC, USDT, whatever you want. So you don't have to keep it in-house, but it's just convenient to be in-house, and it's on the Binance Smart Chain. So yeah, guys, this is linear finance in a nutshell. Highly recommend you guys check it out. It's a really cool protocol to use because you can actually leverage and earn staking rewards for doing so. So basically, they're paying you to get a loan in Lina tokens. I'm very bullish on Lina. They got some crazy partnerships too. I mean, just look at these different investors. I mean, dude, NGC Ventures, are you kidding me? So Almeida Research, yeah, you guys know that guy with the crazy hair? Oh yeah, that guy. And they're listed on several different exchanges too. So it's good stuff. Highly recommend you guys check it out. So guys, we do have a sponsored video. This is not just a sponsored video by my pants and underwear. This one is actually by Apollo FinTech. So Apollo FinTech is having a trading competition going on. They have a crazy following on YouTube. They actually almost have 50,000 subscribers. So they got a little bit going for it. They are a blockchain. So Apollo is its own blockchain. And apparently what I've heard is you can actually transact with cryptocurrencies and send them without the internet. So this is through SMS. So pretty interesting concept. So if you guys want to check it out, you can check it out as well. But again, guys, this is just a sponsored video. They have a little trading competition going on. And basically, they're giving out different rewards for the different transactions that you spend. So here are the different trading rewards that they have. Obviously, they have a referral competition, they have a supercar competition, and a millionaire competition. And these are the different competitions itself. So like the top 10 GSX investors will instantly invest, will qualify for prizes. So obviously, the biggest bag holders. They also have the referral competition or championship, like anyone who uses the referral link. Me personally, guys, I'm not going to leave my referral link in the description below because I I'm personally not wanting to support this. This is just a sponsored video. I appreciate them supporting the channel, but I don't want to put out my referral and support this because I'm not behind this. It's not saying it's a bad thing. It's just one of those things like, hey, it's just not for me. It's just my opinion. I got a butt and it stinks, and you guys got a butt and your butt stinks too. And opinions are the same as butts. So the other one is the grand prize, and you guys can see all the trading competitions here. And these are about the accruing rewards. But anyways, guys, that's our video sponsor. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys do 3 things for me. Like, subscribe, bell button. Leave a comment below in the description saying you subscribed. You'll automatically get thrown into a drawing to earn $100 in free BTC. And guys, we also have the Ethereum giveaway going on. No, I didn't forget about it. I already mentioned it at the beginning of this video. How can I forget 10 minutes later? Well, I guess, yeah, I do forget things often. But if you guys want to participate in that, the Ethereum address is below. If you guys are randomly selected, you'll get all the money that's in that wallet. All right, guys, we got to say thank you to our Patreons. We got Sean Bott, Tyreek Lowe, and JP. All right, guys, so we got some awesome Patreons. Thank you guys for your support. Really appreciate it. And we'll leave you guys with a wisdom one-liner. Proverbs chapter. Oh, first off, guys, not financial advice. Anything I say in this video, I'm always wrong, 100% wrong in everything I say. So please do not take this as financial advice. This is just information that is out there. We are farmers. Proverbs chapter 24, verses 30. I went past the field of a sluggard, past the vineyard of someone who has no sense. Thorns had come up everywhere. The ground was covered with weeds, and the stone wall was in ruins. What does this mean, guys? Well, first off, obviously the sluggard is a lazy person. And you guys can see his house was a mess. If your house is a mess, get it up and right. Get off that couch. Throw them chips away. Don't eat them chips. Those chips are garbage. Let's get it up and rolling. Be like the ant, you sluggard. Yeah, I'm just kidding, guys. You aren't sluggards, but be like the ant. Have you ever seen them like carry cat food? It's pretty cool. Dogs, thanks for watching. All right, guys, if you want to catch me on TikTok, I do daily wisdom one-liners and let you guys see the pets and behind-the-scenes junk. So here it is. Scan it. Check it out. Bam, bam. All right, so next off, guys, if you guys want to support the channel and get paid to do it, you guys can check out Celsius. Celsius is fire, dude. So what's so cool about Celsius is, guys, first off, you can get $40 in free BTC using my referral link in the description below. Just deposit $100. Add in the code BTC50. You will also get an additional $50 if you deposit $400, guys. It's free BTC. Next is Voyager, guys. I also got a referral link in the description below. Instead of just only getting $25, you'll get $25 and some free VGX tokens, guys. Next is BlockFi. BlockFi is part of the quadruple threat. Go ahead and make a deposit. Use this referral link in the description below. You get $100. Depending on how much you deposit, you can get all the way up to, guess how much? $250. All right, so what the pants is Celsius and BlockFi for? Well, you can use both of those as like your bank. They get some pretty nice juicy yields. And Voyager is more so like trading, and it gets some juicy yields as well. And the last one to try is Crypto.com, guys. You can trade some like smaller altcoins, and you guys will get $25 in CRO once you guys get the Visa card. Why do I like the Visa card? Well, you can sell crypto and buy some junk with it, so I can buy a sandwich with my crypto. I don't use BTC, but I'll use like stable coins and junk. So anyways, if you guys want to support the channel, that's the quadruple threat. Thanks for tuning in, guys. You'll get paid to do it.